Little explorers, desert animal adventure. The sun was shining brightly over the golden desert. Sand dunes stretched far into the distance like soft waves made of gold. In the middle of the warm desert stood Fatima, a cheerful 5-year-old white Turkish girl with soft brown hair shining under the sun. Her long sandy-colored safari dress moved gently in the warm breeze. Beside her stood Pudding, her fluffy white cat with light green eyes and a tiny orange scarf. "Welcome to the desert," Fatima said excitedly. The sand felt warm under their boots and paws. "Let's discover who lives here." The camel in the distance, a tall camel, walked slowly across the dunes. Fatima walked beside it confidently. "This is a camel," she explained. "Camels can store energy in their humps and walk for a long time in the desert." The camel blinked calmly and chewed slowly. Pudding looked up in amazement. "So tall." Fatima giggled. Fennec Fox suddenly, 2 big ears popped up from behind a sand dune. A tiny Fennec Fox appeared. "Fennec foxes have very big ears," Fatima said. "Their ears help them stay cool." The fox trotted playfully around them. Pudding tried to copy its light steps in the sand. Desert lizard near a rock. A quick desert lizard darted across the sand. "Lizards can move very fast on hot sand," Fatima explained. The little lizard paused and blinked. Pudding crouched low, curious but gentle. Desert snake, a smooth desert snake, slithered slowly nearby. Fatima stayed calm. "Snakes move by sliding their bodies," she said softly. "Some desert snakes hide under the sand to stay cool." The snake made a quiet curve in the sand before disappearing. Pudding watched carefully from beside Fatima's boots. Scorpion under a small rock. A scorpion stood still. Fatima pointed carefully. "Scorpions come out more at night," she explained. "They hide during the hot day." The scorpion lifted its tiny tail but did not move. "In our world, we look but don't touch," she reminded kindly. Desert tortoise near a cactus. A desert tortoise moved slowly. Tortoises carry their homes on their backs. Fatima smiled. The tortoise blinked slowly and kept walking. Pudding paced slowly beside it, then got bored and sat down. Desert eagle. High in the sky, a desert eagle soared gracefully. "Eagles can see very far," Fatima said, shading her eyes from the sun. The eagle circled beautifully before landing on a distant rock. The oasis surprise. After walking through the warm dunes, Fatima spotted something exciting. "Look, Pudding, an oasis." Palm trees surrounded a small blue pond in the middle of the desert. Birds flew overhead. A few flamingos stood in the water. "In the desert, water is very important," Fatima explained. "Animals travel far to find it." The camel drank slowly. The Fennec Fox rested in the shade. Even the tortoise found a cool spot. Pudding dipped one paw in the water. Much better than polar ice. Desert sunset. As the sun began to set, the sky turned orange, pink, and purple. The sand glowed warmly. Fatima stood proudly. "Even though the desert looks empty," she said softly, "it is full of amazing life." The camel walked across the horizon. The fox disappeared behind a dune. The eagle flew home. Fatima picked up Pudding gently. "You can find friends anywhere," she smiled. Under the golden desert sunset, the adventure came to an end. But the world still had many secrets waiting to be discovered.